Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 1. We are learning Unit 11. Its title is Scientists. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. Yes, my dear students, today under the title of writing skill, we are going to learn how to make greeting card. Before this, you have learned about the patterns and different shapes. I hope you remember. You can draw different shapes. So these shapes gonna help you. Better these shapes, what you have learned how to draw it, you can draw these shapes in your greeting card as well. So it's gonna help us. And today's SLO is recognize the conventions of a greeting card, draw illustration to make greeting card, write names of addressee and sender. Addressee means to whom you are writing, and sender, of course, you are doing it, so you will write your name as well. Write appropriate words and formulaic expressions. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran Surah Fatiha verse 1, all the praise belongs to Allah, the Lord of all the worlds. Yes, my dear students, better this beautiful verse tells us all the praise, Alhamdulillah, all the praise is for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So whatever good we learned, whatever good we could do throughout the year, this is all with the grace of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So what should we say for that? Alhamdulillah, because when you started grade 1, you knew a bit, but now, mashallah, you have learned many things, and today you are going to learn a new thing, how to make a greeting card, okay? So for everything what we learned and we could do throughout the year, Alhamdulillah for that, right? Okay, so now you tell me, what does greeting mean? We have learned about greeting. So do you remember what does greeting mean and what are greeting cards? Pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher and then come back. Yes, my dear students, greeting means a salutation at meeting. So when we meet with someone, the way we start our conversation, the first thing we do is greeting. And how do Muslims greet? What do we say? Yes, Assalamu alaikum. Good. An expression of good wishes and regards. Okay. So Alhamdulillah, beta, when we say Assalamu alaikum, it's a good wish. So we say Assalamu alaikum, have a good day, such type of things. These are known as greetings. Okay. And what is a greeting card? A greeting card is a way to show your love, affection, and care. You can make and share cards with your loved ones on different occasions like birthday, Eid, achievements, success, etc. So, beta, the way we say, likewise, we can make a card to show that love. Like you can make a greeting card for your teacher, for your mother, for your friends, for your sister, father, for anyone you want to show your love. And for different occasions, like if it's someone's birthday, make a simple, very sweet card and give that card to that person. You know, when someone gives you card, do you feel happy? Likewise, when you will give a card to someone, the other person also feels happy, right? That's why it's a good way to greet others. How do we make a greeting card? It can be like that, a very simple, happy birthday to you. The way you have learned different shapes, you can draw it and you can write a wish, okay? It can be like this, or even it can be a detailed words. This is how we can make different greeting cards. But for now, what you should know to write. Addressee is the one whom you are writing the card. So you will write, first of all, you write dear. Dear. Now, after that, you will write whom you are writing, maybe your mother, then you will write dear mother, or dear father, or dear brother, or dear sister, or dear friend. Even you can write name of your friend, dear Ali or dear Amna, whom you are writing, okay? And then you will write the wish, wishing you a very happy birthday, and then you will write from. Here you will write your name. This is how These are the conventions of writing a greeting card. You write the name of the person and you write your name, name of addressee whom you are writing, and name of sender who is writing, right? So this is how you write. First you write addressee over here, then you write your wish, and lastly you write from. Okay, all right. So this is how we make a greeting card. Now let's practice it through an activity. All the instructions are there. All of you open your book on page number 96. Teacher will guide the students to make a greeting card according to the instructions given. Here in the form of this project, all the instructions are given. Teachers kindly provide all the required stuff to students and do help them in making a beautiful greeting card. So pause the video. All of you enjoy making a greeting card, and after that come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with the good job? You like your card? Wonderful. So here I'm giving you a homework. At home, you will make a greeting card for your mother. Okay, show your love to your mother as well. And tomorrow you can bring this card to show your teacher as well that you made this card at home. And here is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet's lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. So what we have learned today, we learned to recognize the conventions of a greeting card, draw illustration to make greeting card, and write names of addressee and sender, and write appropriate words and formulaic expressions. Are we done with it? Yes, and we thoroughly enjoyed doing it. So that's it for today, beta. This is the last lesson of grade 1. Now it's definitely time for your final exam. Do prepare well, because I'll see you in your grade 2 now. So keep working hard. Take care of yourself. Thank you, and Allah Hafiz.